Umintri rangba ke jela u Conrad ki sangma hakasan trik nailar ula ong baka Sorkar jela kadang pishar bniah ye ki daw ki balam syaka jingshlei ha Jorabad bat kadang khmih ru halor kilat ki bakir ki bat kisin jam ki banet slam ban la ban weng ye kani ka jing e ngidang khmih bniah ya barok ki benta bat ngi phai khmat ru syakinu ki kilat ki denti ki bangila ban le ong u Conrad ula ong bana kalian ki deputy commissioner ru kila ai ka jingat lang halor kani ka benta ulapun pauru baka jingshna badang shen ya kasurok khamtam ka jaka ka badan hakrum jong ka flyover ka badan kumba shiphut shapo kala bande ka daw ka balawan ra ka jinglang jong ka bat ka balam sha ka jingshlei ka bamardor kila ru bandan de ki wepat ki daw ki balam sha ka jingshlei kum ka Sorkar ngi sngo kya halor ka ni bat ngi don kam ban khmi halor ke sen jam ban penduna ya ka jingsha ta jong ki pat ba kani ka day ka mat ka bakong san na ka benta jongi ula ong.
Yes, we are studying all the aspects and we are looking at whatever measures we can put in. There is a concern, of course, because there is a bowl kind of a structure that is there because of the road construction that took place, which leads to where the level of the water or the level where the land is below the main flyover that is there is quite deep, and about a few feet down. That also leads to a bit of additional water kind of collecting out there and leads to a quicker process in which the flood happens. But apart from that, also there could be other reasons. And I think as a government, and administration from either sides, we should obviously look at ways and means in which we can minimize the inconvenience of the people. We are all concerned about it, and the deputy commissioners are coordinating. So we hope that we'll be able to find temporary as well as a long-term solution to this. It's an important issue for us.